If you have a house in Carroll, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Carroll. And the reason so many sellers in Carroll, Ohio like working with us is, number one, we're local. We're not a call center. We're not some big national brand that outsources everything. We're real people. We're going to do a very easy call with you. And we're a cash buyer, so that means we will buy the house in its as-is condition. So there's no work that you need to do to this house whatsoever. You don't need to clean up. You don't need to fix anything or haul anything away. No trips to the Home Depot, Ace Hardware, or Lowe's. There's no handyman you need to hire. We'll buy the house in its as-is condition regardless of the condition. And since we're a cash buyer, there's no bank approvals needed. So when you're working with more of a traditional buyer that's using that type of lender where there's a bank or a mortgage company involved, there's a lot more hoops that you as the seller of this property need to jump through when working with that type of buyer, because that type of lender is going to, the lender that type of buyer is using, they're going to have a formal inspection, they're going to have a formal appraisal, they're going to look into every nook and cranny on the house, they're going to find everything that's ever wrong with the house. I'm talking, they're going to look at every single, outlet, every single light switch, every single ceiling fan. It's pretty intrusive, and they're just compiling data that can only be used against you at the end of the day. So there's no formal inspections when you're working with us. It's very easy. When we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. And by the way, if you survive the inspection with a traditional buyer, if you survive it, now you got to deal with the appraiser, and that could be even worse because these appraisers work for the bank. And we all know the bank has their own best interests in mind. With us, there's no formal inspections, no formal appraisals or anything like that. No appraisal at all, actually. And we'll buy the house in its as-is condition. We know what we're getting involved with. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials because we're going to treat you fair and treat you like a local neighbor, because that's exactly what you are to us. So if you have a house in Carroll, you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Again, when we get on the phone, you'll be talking to us, probably me. And easy conversation. We're going to know in the first 10 minutes if we're a good fit for each other. If not, no crime, no foul. It's okay. We'll shake hands. We'll part as friends. We promise we are not going to waste your time. You know how it is. The older that we get, the less time we have. And older that we get, sure as heck, the less time we have to waste. We're not going to waste your time. So we're going to treat you nice, and there's no gimmicks or games or anything like that at all. So no obligations whatsoever. We're not trying to get you to sign something or anything like that. We're either a good fit for you or we're not, but you have nothing to lose by calling to see what your options are. So if you have a house in Carroll, give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking to you, and I look forward to working with you.